today's video, you got to subscribe, share, comment, and like. Yes, and come and join the Williams fam. Happy New Year, guys. As I said before, I hope you guys are enjoying your new year. Many blessings to everybody out there, and let's go. Let's get out of here. All right, it's time to go. Stay tuned. I will catch you all in a bit. Yay. So we have just reached the airport and we are waiting to check in. There is the fam. They're hiding. They're hiding. So we're just here waiting. We're here early, but we don't know what to expect as we are traveling during a pandemic. So we just want to make sure that we are good, and we're here early to check in ahead of time and sit and wait. I'd rather sit and wait an hour than come late and don't know what to expect. So, and since it's our first time traveling during a pandemic, we don't know what to expect, so it's better to come early. So that's what we did, and we are just here. Sorry for the noise in the back. It's the guy on that thing there cleaning the floors. So we just finally checked in. Oh, there's Timmy's. We're gonna go find our gate and then sit down, and then we are about to oh Lord, this thing is opening. I gotta fix this. And then we're gonna go get some food. Mr. Williams, you say good morning. Hello, sir. Yes, the people okay. Yeah, so we're okay, there we are, and then you can come back. So we're gonna go do that, and then we're gonna come back and they're gonna get some breakfast. So everybody is tired. It's really early. How much hours did it take us to check in? Huh, babe? You know? How much hours it took us to check in? I don't know. What time is it? And as you see, 5? Holy, took us 2 hours. 2 hours. Okay, we got here at 3 o'clock, 3 a.m. and it took us 2 hours to check in. So to get everything done. Whew. Oh Lord, I'm exhausted and I am hungry, so now we're just gonna have to sit and wait. Oh Lord. Yeah, so we're gonna sit and wait. Whoa. I need some tea in my system. So, and it's still pitch black outside. Oh, it's actually what? The same gate number we came last time. Yeah, so the last time we traveled as a family, it's the same gate number. So, whew. And we just have an hour wait till we board, so that's not bad. I ain't complaining. Oh, I just need somewhere to sit down because these things are heavy. You know what? 2 sugars black.
Yeah, same place.
Huh?
I am the same one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we've met a subscriber. Tired, my shoulder's hurting. I need sleep. But the reason I love taking early flights is because we get to go to Jamaica early, and I like to fly home late, so that means you have more time. Okay, so okay, let's go, I guess. Look guys, so you have Mario here sleeping and Faith over there sleeping. These guys are knocked out while we're waiting to board the plane. Miss Arissa is off Memphis. It's on his game. This one is asleep. Here we go again. Let's go. We boarding. Oh, there we go. We're boarding. Okay, so as you guys can see, the plane is almost empty. Got the kids them over there. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, we do see there are quite a few available seats that are open. We do understand if you'd like to move to them. We do just ask that you please remain in your assigned seat for takeoff. That is very important that you do so. Once we're in the air, the seatbelt sign has been turned off. If you want to ask a member of cabin crew, we'll be happy to help you move. There are some seats available on this aircraft that are for purchase. That's the premium seating. Row 17, the exit row, as well as row 7 forward. They are premium purchase seating. If you'd like to purchase one of these seats, we're happy to help you once we're in the air. The seatbelt sign has been turned off. And if you'd like to move to a seat within your zone, once again, we just ask.
The runway is, look at that, that is beautiful. Look at that light. Look at all that light. And this is what, 7? After 7? What time is it? Or no? This is after 7 in the morning. So you get the nice glimpse. And the plane is in darkness. Yeah. Oh Lord, the hot fit, no?
So take off the sweater.
You can take off the sweater, Rosa. So we're finally reached. We're just waiting for my brother-in-law to come and drop off our car so we can head home. Your girl is hungry. I haven't eaten from morning, and boy, I need to get me some food. But the line wasn't too bad. It was very quick and fast. So got to give thanks, and we land safe. So we just wait now to go in. No, thank you. No, thank you. So there's the crew. It seemed I didn't even realize that all three of them were wearing gray. It looked like they kind of was picking out their outfit to wear gray sweaters. Oh Lord. But oh, it is nice. This is my kind of weather. Huh? Where? Oh no. And this is the first time in forever I have not seen like that much people on a plane, much less out here. Usually it's always overpacked.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me gonna be the wife for you. That in the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days and now it's every day.